What's up, everybody? Bueller here again, and today I just wanted to cover the main channel of our chat. That's the BB System channel. This is the channel where I post all of my daily watch list, tons of info. My boy JBake also posts. He posts tons of amazing picks every day, and I just wanted to cover the main ones that I posted. So I reposted Apple saying, "Yo, reminder, just because it's been 44 minutes, nothing had moved yet. What to look for." But then I had also posted reviews, which we're gonna go over live, so I'm not gonna bore y'all with that, but just to show y'all that's where we posted all and stuff. But I just wanted to go over this because this channel can be insanely helpful to a lot of people if they just use it correctly. So basically, each day create a watch list, and I post it every morning. It actually goes out to over 30 servers. So if you guys really just grab those levels, put them on your chart, mark them if you need to, label them, color code them if you need to, whatever you need to do. But I post a break above, break below. We post stop losses for each side in case it comes back down and closes, and we have rules. We also have targets, but the rules are mainly just looking for volume. If you need to check out the day trading playlist on this channel, please do so. I would start there first before looking at this video. But basically, we're looking at Apple under a previous day important level here. As you can see, we not just broke above it, but we actually ended up holding support on this before moving higher, and then we ended up sitting on top of this. So 180, 150 was our break below. As you can see, what was entry? Why would you just randomly enter that? You wouldn't. You would wait for either one of two things. You want a candle close with volume for the initial entry, of course, or you can have the retest of that level with lowering volume and then breaking back lower to create another open range breakout just like this, just the initiating breakout. So basically what you're looking for is rising volume. As you can see here, we have that on this chart. Of course, if you're a scalper, you don't have to wait for candle close, but I would still prefer to wait to see that volume is still accumulating higher from candle to candle before you get into that trade. So of course, scalper mindset, you're going to want to get out quick, but either way though, 40% entry, rising volume close under our important level. And as you can see, it just maintained under the 9. And actually, this trade, you would have definitely been looking to take profits because a dollar drop within that first 10 minutes is insane. So that would have been a very good trade. But as you can see though, it actually cascaded down for the rest of the day. So you really shouldn't have ever really been down on that trade. And if it did come back up and you didn't like it, you definitely should have been out. But you can also see our other videos for some of those other breakdowns because we do talk about reversals, we do talk about buying the dip, we talk about a lot. The other one was Nvidia, and then the last one I'm going to do is NET. But here's Nvidia, same story as Apple, of course, breaking different levels, of course, just kind of same area, though, is what I mean. And as you can see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes pass by, and we finally get a rising volume entry. As you can see here, from candle to candle, we have rising volume. And that gives us really, really good indication, too, because it closed under and it wasn't in the first 5 minutes. Because it kind of sucks whenever something kind of pops or drops in the first 5 or 10 minutes, because then it's very hard to get if you're not a scalper. So if you're trying to hold for a longer day trade, this is definitely the strat for you. You can also add on the middle VWAP. This right here is just the 9 EMA, and this is basically the only other side confirmation I use that aren't my levels or my volume. So make sure you're kind of back testing and visualizing that as much as you can. And again, checking the playlist and checking a lot of the other content of this channel is very, very helpful. But let's look at this though. I'll remove some of these drawings so we can start over. So break below was previous day low, as you can see, very, very quick at 122.7. I ended up adjusting this within the stream to the next level, which was 119.50. It already pushed down to this one. And we were basically just looking for a rising volume close under 119.50. We ended up getting this push here, and then we ended up getting that drop. So that's what kind of gave me that accumulation there. As you can see, from candle to candle, we had rising volume. And you actually had it here as well, so you could have taken it from here at 121.15 as well, considering that was just the next level down. And basically what you're doing is navigating between these levels with volume. So lowering, of course, is a sign of weakness. Rising, of course, is a sign of strength. If you end up having lowering volume but rising price, that can mean reversal, vice versa. But as you can see here on net, though, that would have paid very nice as it continued not just down into there, but for the rest of the day. For the rest of the day, it dropped all the way to 108.50. So no, I'm not saying you should aim for 108.50. You should aim for the very first target, the very next target. Do that for months and months and months. Staircase yourself up that list. Staircase yourself up that system. But I would definitely refer over to the day trading playlist just so you can get a better hang of this. But please, all it does to take to do this is adding these levels that I post each day, every single one of them, stop loss, talking about the targets, everything. Also, how do you trade the BB system? You know, I send these links every single day with exact examples on how to do some of this stuff, so I don't have to, repeat it. But we do cover them every single day in stream. So join us in the stream each morning for the first hour and a half, and yeah, you'll see all that. But we also have tons and tons of info right here in this channel. This channel we talk about swing trading, day trading, it has all of our strategies, and you just have to be a basic member and up. Don't have to be anything crazy. So make sure to hit me up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.